I don't
Swear to God, I heard like a sneeze over there. I heard something, like a sound.
I did hear something too.
Deception.
Oh.
Are we wrong?
It means like someone pulled a trick on us, kind of. They were deceptive.
Babe?
Is this the safe word you wanted?
No. The cemetery is
Should
right
I
on
tell
our right.
them or should I not? It's up to you.
Sure. Let's be transparent.
Alright. So Mel wanted to make a safe word for if we were gonna get scared that we say the word. But
Hey, stop walking.
I told her. Why are you scared? There's nobody. It's just our footsteps. I think.
Okay, shut up.
So yeah, safe word has not been established. I think the safe word is safe word. I forgot I had your light.
The spirit talker just stopped all of a sudden.
The children are listening.
Children are listening.
Oh.
Where are the children? Are they in the cemetery? Stop for a second. Should we go to the left or right?
You hear that?
I swear to God, I hear it on the right, behind you.
Oh, it's my bag. I think it's my bag making that noise. We're a little freaked out if you can't tell.